Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up invoice payments with Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Step 1, log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or mobile app. Next, navigate to payments and select invoices or request payments. Now create a new invoice by entering your client's name, email, and payment details. Specify the invoice amounts, due dates, and any applicable notes or line items. Now choose your payment options. Bluevine allows ACH, debit or credit cards, and other supported methods. Next, send the invoice. Your client will receive it via email with instructions to pay. You can track the invoice status in your Bluevine dashboard. You're going to see when it's viewed, partially paid, or fully paid. Once paid, funds are deposited directly into your Bluevine account and can be accessed immediately. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.